Following is a video response by the Martian Artifact Research Society to certain debunkers on YouTube who think that the quest for life on Mars is a frivolous waste of time and funny and all that. As we'll see, there is life on that planet. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I will present positive video proof. Take a look at this large squarish rock. Nice little creeper on top of it. I believe that's some sort of a plant. There's one of those strange nodules that we keep seeing attached to that. Now look at the side and on top. You can see these little nodules attached to this rock by stalks. This is a form of life, folks. I don't care what NASA says. I don't care what anyone says. We are seeing life here. There simply is no question. Rocks, pebbles don't grow on rocks, on stalks. They don't. Yet some people think that the quest for life on Mars is funny. Well, I'm telling you the truth. There's life on that planet. You see it for yourself. Next frame. Once again, same basic photo. A little bit different angle. We see the nodules growing from the rocks. See the creeper. Same basic thing. These are life forms, folks. Make no mistake about it. This is some sort of sedimentary rock. Once again, more nodules growing from it. I've heard it said that these are some type of lichen. I don't know. Definitely a form of life, which NASA or another straight answer is ignored. And I think they're very fascinating. Now take a look at the object in the center of this photo. It casts a clear, unequivocal shadow. This isn't rock, it's up on legs, as it were. Once again, I'm thinking this is some sort of a small plant. I'm really not sure. It could be some creepazoid Martian life form that we don't know about, but I kind of doubt that. It looks to me like we have a plant there that has grown up out of the soil and is casting a shadow. One way or the other, this isn't your standard pebble. This is a life form one more time. So why hasn't NASA answered this and brought it out to them? Take a look below the large black line there. We can see all sorts of strands of something. I'm assuming this is some sort of a hedgerow. I'm really not sure. But that's about as close as I can. This is plant life, folks. There's also some very interesting spherical objects in there with some dark areas suggestive of ports or windows or whatever. They may not be natural. I'm thinking they are not, because they don't look like boulders to me. It's time that we had some answers on this. Are we going to get them? Well, someday we will. As they say in the old country, this is pièce de résistance. Take a look at the object near the center of the screen. This is arguably not a boulder. It doesn't have the shape of a boulder. It's got straight lines on it. I believe it's some sort of a building. Well, there's no question of that. What it does, I don't know. A bunker, perhaps. No. The object coming off the side of it. Looks like some sort of a travel tube, perhaps. I don't know. Now, direct your attention to the lower right-hand corner. Once again, we see yet another building. This is on one of the hillsides in Opportunity's neck of the woods. This has never been answered. These are buildings, folks. They're not boulders. They're not geological formations. Horse feathers, horse feathers, horse feathers. These are buildings. And it's time we had answers on this, and it's time the public knew. That's what I'm doing. This is called disclosure. You may not agree with it, but that's what it is. I thank you very much for your time. I have one bonus frame to show you of some ruins, and then that'll be it. This is just one minor bonus picture from 101 again. These look like some sort of ruins, perhaps. That's what I'm thinking, right in the center of the picture. And if anyone out there thinks this is the best I have, you'd be sadly mistaken. There are things that are 1,000 times more shocking than the ones I've shown you, especially in the way of artifacts and structures. So this concludes my video response to the other video that was posted mocking the Mars Disclosure movement. Thank you very much.